how to view referral code in GCash. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to view your referral code in GCash. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, what you want to do is just go to view all services right here. Scroll down until you go to the enjoy section right here, and then after that just click on jobs. And then after that, you'll be redirected here. So in here, you can refer some jobs to your friends so that you can earn money in GCash. So as you can see over here, if you refer this job to someone, you can earn 1,000 pesos and a lot more. So to do that, what you want to do is just click on the job that you want to refer to someone. Click on that. And then after that, what you want to do is just click on refer right here. And then after that, it will ask you a couple of questions so that you can refer this job to your friends and then earn your money. So it will ask you what is your current job title, so just input it there. And then after that, it will ask you what industry does your current position fall under, so just choose right here. So as an example, I'll choose admin HR, click on next. And then after that, it will ask you what's your specialization. So I'll choose human resources, click on next. And then we'll ask you your education level. So let's say I'm an entry level, click on next. And after that, it will ask you to accept or agree the terms and conditions. So just click on accept, and then click on continue. And then after that, what you want to do is just input the name of the person that you're referring and their email. And then just click on send referral, and then just wait for the job to reply to the person that you have referred. And then once the person that you have referred is now in the job, you will now earn your money in GCash. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to view your referral code in GCash. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.